Today, I've driven to the very tip of Cape Breton Island, a place called Meat Cove. The weather was overcast and the winds were strong, but that only added to the dramatic atmosphere. From here, the coastline of the Gulf of St. Lawrence stretched out in all directions, rugged, raw, and beautiful. I sent the drone into the sky to capture the cliffs and sweeping ocean views. The power of the wind was undeniable, yet the perspective above revealed just how wild and untamed this coastline truly is. In between flights, I spotted some local wildlife. A flock of great cormorants perched on top of rugged rocks against the wind, and herring gulls riding the air currents with ease. This is Meat Cove, the edge of Cape Breton, where the land meets the sea in a display of nature's power and beauty.